the local people here they call colpa. Colpa, that's a word that mean, like in English we say like clay leak, in English. But colpa is very local. Colpa is like a place. People here say that in places that animals go that have a meeting in one place to eat the earth, not to eat the earth. Colpas is not just for parrot; it's also for mammals. We have here another colpas that we call mammal clay leaks, or colpas for mammals, like which are we for? Like for example, wild pigs, deers, armadillos, and some rodents go, no, in some part of the jungle to eat the ground, no, making a hole. But in this case, we saw an parrot clay leak, no. Well, the first question, parrots or colpas here, we don't have just this one. There are more. But well, I told you, quite far away from Puerto Maldonado town, located at 4, 5, 7 hours upstream. More deep, you can find the largest one, no? The largest macaws, not the largest parrots. Yeah, beautiful. Like I show you some pictures, right, about them. Why more deep? Because they are very shy. You saw also this one. They are very shy. When just they look some boat coming, approaching too close, they fly away. For us guys to know a little bit, those are the macaws. Those are the macaws. Yeah, some of the most common macaws in this part of the Amazon. But macaws, they are living mostly here, the full colors. But there are more just 6. They are living in the Americans, part of Central America and South America. 17 species, 17 of this one. We have just 6 here, 17. Yeah. One of these disappeared now. One of these macaws. So actually, currently at this time, there are 16. Why disappeared? Many things. Many people don't have like pets at home. Illegal traffic of animals with this kind of creatures. I always say, if you want to have some bird in your house, just plant a tree and you will have birds every morning. It's not necessary to buy some pets, some parrot to have in a cage. For us, those are the parrots. Different things. Macaws, largest, long tail, right? Parrot, short tail, and quite smaller, maybe size. This morning we saw this one. And we have parakeets also here. They are obviously more tiny, small ones, parakeets. We saw this one, the dusky-headed parakeet, a kind of parrot, the blue-headed parrot, and chestnut-fronted macaw, this one, yeah, this one. So, the normal behavior you saw when we were going there, they were like arriving in couples, in groups, first to the top of the trees, right? And we were waiting, top of the trees. And they were like flying around. Why? Because in these places also, in these kind of places, also some raptors come here, like small kites or eagles, small eagles too. Because the main predator for parrot macaws are eagles here, yeah. And many times they come to these places too, and they get inside of the bush and they wait for the punch, yeah, to catch one of them. That is why they have to look, to flying around looking. When they look, everything is safe. When they look to be sure, they start coming down. And you saw that, step by step, little by little, and then they start eating the clay, right? But the other parrots are still on the top of the trees. They are sentinels. When they look something strange around, they make a noise of alarm, and every parrot fly away. No? And we say this one a display. This is the normal behavior. When they just are full, they start flying away. No? Start looking for fruits. Parrots, they come here for different reasons. For us, for many times, biologists here they were studying parrots, and we know now that they come here for the clay to get the minerals like sodium, calcium, iron, and so also because this clay helps to the parrot because they take a small portion of clay and they lick that, and this clay on the stomach form like a berry on the side of the stomach. And when they go during the dry season, because we have here wet season and dry season, during the dry season here we don't have too much rain, every trees are very dry and they don't produce a lot of fruits, and these creatures they have to eat many times immature fruit, the green fruits, yeah, with poison, and many times poisonous fruits too. So they eat this poison fruit, and the fruit on the stomach, and this clay is neutralized. So the clay neutralizes the toxin of the fruit, and then they defecate and nothing happens. Now, we are now in the wet season. November, December, January, February continue. The wet season, a lot of rain and a lot of fruits too. But they still coming here. Why? And in small groups, but they still coming here. Why? Because they don't use just for the minerals. Because also they come here to have a mate. This is the chance for the juvenile parrot to find a mate. Also, this is the chance, you know, the juvenile parrots. So also, guys, in this place we know that they have a communication also between them about the new places with fruits too. No, those are some of the reasons. No, then they come here maybe. Well, maybe you have a question now, something you want to know.